Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica, and on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I made these beautiful cherries, and this is going to be the part 2 of the first video I posted. If you've not seen that one, please check the link in the description and watch before coming to do the cherry. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make these cherries. First of all, we need our red yarn and we'll be needing our green yarn as well. So you take your red yarn and we'll be making like a circle like this. So this circle is basically slip knots and chains, 12 chains and this in the circle. Do you get? Make a slip knots. After that, chain 1 to secure and chain another one. After this, we're going to make 12 double crochet into the circle. So yarn over, this is 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 4, 11 and 12. After the 12th one, you draw this yarn here to tighten this circle and you make a slip stitch just like this, and that is all. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. So that's simply it. Because for each cherries we have 2 of this, and you know we're supposed to make 5 cherries, so we're going to make 10 of this. 10 because each of the cherries is like, can you see it? This is 1 cherry. 1 cherry has 2 of this, so 1, 2, and we need 5 of this. So we're going to be making 10 of these red circles. Do you get? So go ahead and make 10 and I'll see you at the end and I'll tell you what next to do. So if you've made 10 cherries, the next thing to do is take this green yarn like this and make a slip knot like this. When you make a slip knot, you insert your hook here where you ended this one, and make then chain 1 like this. After chaining 1, you're going to chain 11. You're going to make 11 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After making 11 chains, you skip this first one, then the second chain from the hook, you make a slip stitch like this. After making a slip stitch, in the next stitch you're going to make 1 single crochet, so like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Now in the third one you're going to make half double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. We have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through the 3. Do you get? Then the next one you will make 1 double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook here like this, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Do you get? In this last one we'll make a slip stitch like this. Can you see it? To make the second leaf you chain 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip this first one, repeat the same thing you did here. In the second chain, you make your slip stitch like this. In the next, you make single crochet like this. In the next, you make half double crochet like this. In the next, you make double crochet. And in the last one, you make your slip stitch. Can you see that? I don't stop there. I come down to this place and make another slip stitch so it looks joined together like this. Can you see it? After that, we are going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After chaining 4, you take the other one like this, the front part, and make a slip stitch. So make a slip stitch like this and like this. Can you see it? After that, just chain 1 and cut off your yarn like this. And yeah, you've made yourself a cherry. So you just go ahead and weave this in, tie it however you want to do it. Just make sure you cut off the yarns and probably bond them so it doesn't loosen later on. So just go ahead and do the one that works for you, either weaving the ends or you cut it and bond it, like cut to like this extent and bond it. So you go ahead and do this. Don't forget, I told you we need to make 5 cherries for each granny squares that we made, and for 5 cherries we will need 10 of this. Do you get? So we need 10 of this because each cherry is made up of 2 of this. So go ahead and make it, and I'll see you right after you make your own, and I'll show you how to like join it to your hat. Can you see that? So yeah, just go ahead and do it and I'll show you what to do next. Now we're going to be joining this to each granny squares like this. So take a darning needle and put in your red yarn. I made one part longer than the other, so let me show you. You can see the short part and the other part is like the long part, and I tied it at the bottom like this. So take your cherry and your hat like this, like one granny square. Do you get? So if you don't want yours to move like when you are working on it or when you are stitching them together, just use your stitch marker to like hold it down like this. And like this. You can also hold this part down as well, but for me here it's fine. This is the only place I want to hold down. So we'll start working on this red part first, then we'll change our yarn to the green yarn to stitch this up part. You get? So just take your needle from the bottom like this, go down. So when you come down here, don't forget that when we come down we have this one here, so just put it in between like this and draw your yarn. So this is how you start sewing it, like this. So take off your stitch marker. So you attach one, attach it, you repeat the same thing you did here for this one, and I'll show you how to attach this one to the square. So let me do this same thing I did here, and I'll show you the next thing to do. When you're done like this, it's time to like fix these two leaves. So we're fixing it here, one here. So take your stitch marker and mark, like pin it down like this. Can you see? You take your needle and your yarn as well and repeat the same thing. We're using green yarn now because of this leaf. So tie the end. After this, you're just going to continue repeating the same pattern for each of the granny squares. So you take the other cherries and like attach them to each of the granny squares, and I'll see you right after attaching mine. So yeah, this is what we have after attaching everything together. And I have wound my end, like I've weaved in my end. I actually did not weave in my end, so I cut and bunt, yeah, bunt it. So yeah, this is what it is looking like, and we are good to go. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what's next or what tutorial you would like to see next. See you in my next video. Bye.